Kodiak Klutch is a powerful portable battery designed to deliver dependable lighting and charging at your convenience. With up to 1100 lumens of brightness, built-in solar charging capabilities, and power bank functionality, the Klutch combines versatility and performance into one compact lighting solution. Let's take a closer look. Inside the package, you'll find the Kodiak Klutch portable battery along with a USB charging cable. The Klutch features a built-in rechargeable lithium polymer battery system with dual included batteries totaling 10,000 milliamp hours. You should always make sure to fully charge the device before first use. Pull back the top grip to reveal the charging ports below. There are 3 ports built into the Klutch: micro USB, USB-A, and USB-C. Using the bundled cable, you can use the USB-C port to charge the Klutch with 20 watts. With a micro USB cable, you can use the micro USB port to charge the Klutch's battery off of a slower 18 watts. Lastly, if you have a USB-C cable, you can utilize the C port for output charging devices at 20 watts. It takes approximately 2.5 hours to fully recharge using USB-C charging, and the integrated LED will flash, letting you easily monitor charging status. Using your smart device's charging cable, plug into the USB-A port to use it to charge devices off of the Klutch's battery. The product also has the ability to solar charge when left open in the sun. For best results, fully open the Klutch so both panels lay flat. Charging begins automatically, and solar charging times vary based on cloud coverage. Built from durable ABS fireproof material, the Kodiak Klutch is designed to handle rugged everyday use while remaining lightweight and portable. The Klutch measures approximately 6¼ inches in length, 3 inches in width, and 1 inch of depth. The Klutch weighs approximately 3/4 pounds and features a clamshell body design, with an IP44 weather-resistant rating and 1 meter impact resistance. Press and long hold the button on the back of the Kodiak Klutch to power on and off the device. The Klutch features 6 lighting modes designed to be toggled with a single button press. Turbo mode wields 1100 lumens with a beam distance of up to 55 meters and a 30-second runtime. High mode outputs 540 lumens and can run for up to 7 hours while reaching distances up to 40 meters. The Klutch also includes emergency lighting functions like white strobe and white SOS modes, both producing 1100 lumens with runtimes up to 7 hours. The last 2 modes are solid red and red flashing modes. These modes provide 35 lumens with an impressive runtime of up to 70 hours and beam distances up to 13 meters. These flashing emergency modes are perfect for signaling, roadside emergencies, or attracting attention during critical situations. Compact, durable, and packed with useful features, the Kodiak Klutch is built for everything from outdoor adventures to emergency preparedness. With powerful lighting modes, rechargeable and solar charging options, weather resistance, and built-in power bank functionality, the Kodiak Klutch delivers reliable performance wherever life takes you.